Alright, today we're working on 77 Monte Carlo 350. We're going to change the thermal fan clutch. This is the heavy duty one. Should go on no problem. You'll have 4 bolts that we loosen up with 1/2 inch, and then not sure what these ones are, but we'll let you know what they are in the back. This is the Hayden number, old school brand. So if you need one for your 350, this is it. Like I said, we're going to do 9/16, sorry, 1/2 inch. Here, here, and here. And then this assembly will come off. You shouldn't have to take the shroud. Should be able to move it off the pump and pull it out. And then we'll take the fan off that fan clutch. All right, we'll get you back when we're got the fan out. All right, here we go. We got it out. It was these 4 nuts, 1/2 inch. The new one comes with 2 things. One, this bag of lock washers that we didn't have before, so we definitely will put them on now. And then this brass bushing. So if you look at the size of this hole, and the size of the new one is definitely larger. So we had to take up the slack. So the water pump nose, this falls into. If you look at this size, it ain't gonna go in here. So I tested it up against the water pump nose. So we will go ahead and use this brass bushing in here. I was going to show you the difference between heavy duty and not. This is not heavy duty. The additional fins should be tighter. And this one spins. When it gets hot, it continues to spin very easily. So I'm hoping that this is the one that'll cure it. And I'll show you that water pump nose real quick. Right down there, so you can see that this nose, yeah, accidentally turned it off, but you can see how that brass goes right over that nose, so it's going to fit. But what we'll do is we'll go ahead and see the nose there. It's smaller, so we'll use this fitting on there. So it's pretty straightforward after this. 4 bolts on the back, everything is 1/2 inch. Add the bushing and the lock nuts and have a nice day. Alright, so she's all installed. She has the washers, as you can see, the bushing that you can't see, the fan that's hooked up. These ones also had washers too, lock washers. So it feels like it's going to be tighter. It doesn't continue to spin. Usually what happens, and this is a new one, and then the car sat for 11 years, or 13 years. But usually what happens is the grease will push out through here, which it's not the case, it's still brand new, or grease come out the back. And there are some stuff down in there. Can't tell, really. It's not obvious, usually it's really obvious. But this is a pretty new one. But this is just a standard. And the other one you showed was heavy duty. So hopefully this does the trick. We'll run it later on, see how it goes. Later.